Over the last 48 hours, more than 85,000 of us have been checking our freezers and talking to each other about that massive rice recall. Because we are paying such close attention as a community, it has been brought to my attention that we have a new situation developing. And this time, it isn't in the freezer. It's in your pantry. Now, I am going to show you some photos of a specific can in just a few minutes. But I need you to listen closely. It is not just about one brand or any type of anything. What I am about to show you is a manufacturing failure that can happen to any canned good sitting in your kitchen right now, whether it's beans or soup, tuna, fruit. This hidden danger is something every single shopper needs to know how to spot before they make dinner tonight. Now, every metal can in your pantry, in the store, wherever, has a hidden hero inside. It's a thin resin, however you want to say it. It's a thin liner, and its only job is to shield between your food and the raw material. If that shield fails, it's called liner delamination. Now, I've spent the last few hours digging into why this happens. Usually, it's a failure during the high heat sterilization at the factory. If they overcook the can or the pressure isn't right, that plastic lining literally breaks and it peels off the metal. The thing is, it doesn't smell bad. The food isn't rotten. But if you eat it, you could be ingesting brittle flakes of industrial resin. I am going to show you exactly what it looks like so that you can check your own stash. Now, it's also my understanding that this issue was reported to corporate authorities over a week ago. And yet, as of this video, there is still no official recall. We are clearly ahead of the curve here, okay? That being said, I have to give a quick disclaimer, okay? I am not a government official. I am not a food scientist. I am not a lawyer. I am a concerned consumer and advocate, just like you. I'm a neighbor who spends time digging into these logs so I can share what I find with you. You should always follow the official word from the FDA. But until they speak up, we have to look out for each other. Okay, let's look at the photos. But before we do, if you want to be part of the community that catches these safety issues before the news cycle does, hit that subscribe button right now. And please share this video with anyone and everyone you know who keeps a stock pantry. We are each other's safety net. All right. Now, this was brought to my attention by a fellow shopper who opened this can of wild Alaskan pink salmon from Trader Joe's. Do you see that gray crinkled texture on the lid? That is the lining peeling directly into the food. If your can looks like this, do not eat it. Now, look at the bottom of your cans. I need you to check for this specific code, 265. B as in boy, P as in Pam, 730, F as in Frank, R as in Roger, the one on the screen. Now, my research shows this was a 2025 production run. So if you see that code, open the can very carefully and check that lid. But even if you don't have that brand, look at these photos. If you open a can of corn or soup tonight or at any time and see this crinkling mess, stop what you're doing, okay? And just take it back to the store. This is a universal lesson. Any can, any brand, any time. If you find a can like this, don't just throw it away. Report it to the FDA Safety Reporting Portal. I'll leave that link in the description. The more people who report a specific lot code or information, the faster the government moves to protect everyone else. Have you seen this before? Have you seen this peeling in other brands? Let's start a pantry log in the comments and tell me if you've seen a brand or any can and the lot code if you have, if you've seen this before, because everyone, just about everyone, has at least one can, okay? So please share this with everyone you know and hit that subscribe button in case you haven't seen my deep dive into the recent rice recall that brought so many of us together this week. You need to watch that next, and I will link it right here on the screen at the end of this video, and it explains exactly how these manufacturing errors happen and what you need to look for.